Hey guys, I'm Madison.
And I'm Mallory.
We are making slime. This is a slime that we are going to be selling on our CatsCraft.Store that you guys can buy. If you look here, you'll see this is the best quality that there is.
And this is a very durable container.
We are also going to be mailing this in this box. This box is going to keep the slime secure. We have one of the containers in here.
Yes.
So, joining us is Ramal. He wants the slime too, so I think that says it right there, that this is going to be some great slime that you guys are going to be getting. You can look in the description and you'll find all of the links to the store, all of the links to our social media. So, let's get on with this video.
The link to our website is CatsCraft.Store. That is where we are selling our slime. So this is a 4-ounce container of slime, and this is the size of the 2-ounce container. Hey, this is the mixed one!
Okay, it's a mixed one.
Oh my god!
But anyways, okay, so guys, you get mixed too. It's really good.
No, we're not selling this!
We have 2 ounces and 4 ounces. But here's one thing. You see that right now it's a mix? Once you start playing with this, it's going to turn to a purple. So, that's the way that it's going to be. And we'll also show you that right here in this video. You know what, let's just open it. Let's open this up and let's play with it.
I hope you guys like this chicken.
Well, I like it.
So this is our unicorn cotton candy swirl, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in the container and when you swirl it. So this is the 4-ounce container, and this is what the 2-ounce container looks like. So when you open it, it's a twist lid. So it's completely airtight so that your slime does not dry out. And here is the mixing.
Wait, take it out of the container and mix it.
Whoa, look at that! That's the cutest.
That's so cool. Look at that swirl.
That is the cutest.
You can see that the colors are all blending together. It's making a perfect spiral.
Instagram girls, you need to buy this. I'm gonna put this on my Instagram. Actually, this is so cute. It turned out so perfect. Alright, so as you can see, all these colors are so cute together. And it's really stretchy. It's super fluffy. It feels so nice. Like, do you want to feel it, Madison?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, this is so fluffy.
Yeah.
That sound is so cool.
It's really satisfying. So here's the purple that it comes out like. It's really pretty, and I just love this slime. It's not really sticky, but if you do receive it sticky just from like it shipping and like sitting still, all you have to do is have your parents mix the borax and then it won't be sticky. So like, squeeze it. Nope, not sticking. Urgh. No. By the way, a tip is if you guys do get it stuck to your hands, all you have to do is like, hold on, let me try and get it stuck to my hands. Like, all you have to do is roll it off. This isn't even getting stuck to my hands, but all you have to do is roll it off, and then it comes off. Like, go like this. There we go. ASMR farting. Cut that out. We will send a care sheet with the slime with instructions on how to activate your slime if it ever becomes sticky. So you add 1 cup of warm water mixed with the entire packet that we send of borax. We will be adding more types of slime to our store soon, so you can vote up there in the top right corner, what is your favorite slime? And we'll try and add that next.
Also, we have been looking at all of the different types of slime, trying out all the different recipes until we got the best one. we've tried out custom recipes, we've tried out other people's recipes, and now we've found the perfect combinations and the perfect mixtures that make the best slime that there is. So Mallory, do you want to show them the foam beads that we're going to be adding to the slime?
Yeah!
Okay, let's do it. Whoa!
Wow! That was cool.
Wow, these are really cool, guys.
Whoa!
We have all different colors here. So pick your favorite color. Mine is green.
Mine's pink.
We have rainbow too.
So these are foam beads and they're perfect for making crunchy slime.
We have cloud slime, we have fluffy slime, and actually, we're going to be showing them to you right here, right now.
So this is our cloud slime.
What a noise, that sounds cool.
It also sizzles.
Honestly, you can make art with something like this, where you just press your hand down into it. It really does feel like a cloud. It has a really nice texture to it.
It's really fluffy. All of our slimes are handmade, so we make these. So now we're going to talk about how to take care of your slime. So, if your slime is sticky, use the borax activator that your parent has mixed. And if your slime is hard, add some lotion to it. So this is our cake batter slime.
It's not edible.
Yeah, it's not edible. It's really stretchy. And we're gonna add foam beads to this one.
Alright guys, let's add some beads, some foam beads.
Whoa, oh my gosh, it's so cute.
It kind of looks like ice cream. It looks
does.
really cool.
Ooh.
I have some more of them on my hands.
Yeah.
They just roll right off. And also, now when we mix it, these foam beads are gonna mix into it.
This is just so cute.
This is turning into a beautiful masterpiece.
Oh, they're rolling away. Come back.
We can really add as much as we wanted to, so you can see that there's some of them right there. And that's how you get it off. If you just touch it to it, then it'll just like come right off. If you just like roll, the slime will come off very easily. Let's sell this one on the CatsCraft.Store. This one right here. So the one in the video, we're gonna be putting this on the store, and there's only one of these, so that's that. So the first person who gets it gets it. Let's add some more foam beads to it though, so that there's more of a contrast. We have a Minecraft server, and the IP is CatsCraft.net. You can join us there. My game name will be Happy Lawn Gnome.
And I'm Taniana.
You can also get a rank on our server. We have a creative server. We have a bunch of mini games, and you can join. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next.
Make sure to thumbs up.
Yes, make sure to give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos. Visit us at our new store, CatsCraft.Store.
We'll see you there.
Yes.
Bye guys.